today.
But they don't need them. Who should be how you day? If you want to make today good for you, I go let her good for you. If you want me today bad for you, I go let her bad for you.
You soldier brother.
Soldier na my brother.
You're the commander. No the house.
Hi, Erowa.
No the house.
Yeah. What do I know? Kiaku media ko tell me wo.
For where? Opu waiting. Gate for you. I know you before.
Yeah. He say if I come make you no open gate for me. Remove your hand. Wait it that. Remove your hand. My brother. Open this gate. I tell you now what can I do? And Oga say anybody where you come, make an open door. In your time manual Kiaku man. Come look. Even the boy there. Look my eye. I not resemble soldier. You not resemble him at all. I not resemble him. Because your brother get white head, you no get. White head. Era me no kwa ekoi. Era me no kwa koi. If I pass this gate and enter house, I wicked pass my brother. Bolokopa, oromoko. Nwa bone na pass here. Oh yo kweka, moko so e. Ije keme bi no gwa ona la soja. If I enter house I meet you, igba fa afio mi owu. Now my work, now they do so. You see ID card? 2 ID card now I get. So now my work now be this. You get work? Yes. You get work? Open and close. Now work with this one. Now my work. Now this one be my work. Now this one left for soldier. I be also soldier too. Yeah, ID card. Sir, 2 ID card. 2. Now they with me. One for mortuary, one for cemetery. You choose one for inside. If I enter inside, that ID card, one go follow you go mortuary or cemetery. A or B. Open. I wicked pass my brother. You. I wicked pass my brother. You. Open this gate. I go scatter this gate. Not try yourself. If I tell this, you take knock your teeth. You know go chop corn. This gate. I go hit you. I go hit you. Yeah, forget that. I go hit you. Yeah, forget that. I go hit you. I go hit you. Not trouble. What trouble? No. I go break out. I go scatter. I go scatter that door. Scatter. I go break out. You gonna chop bread. Now so bread you gonna chop. Me. Yes. Me. Yes. Me scatter this. Scatter. Open this gate. I go flip you. Open this gate. I go. Open this gate. No. You don't die. Who know? I know that my house say. Can't go ever go. I mean your brother. You don't die. Where am I? Your quarter. Okay. Will you stop that? Oh, you not know me. Aboka. Ya apatio mi e ya do. Ya de patio mi. Where, Bamo. What you want? Huh? Atiebe. What are you doing for Sawali? What are security back home? I don't like that. Oh, go on, Jawe. Oh, rock when you come and get inside. Huh? A power time, where who else I know belly 20. Come and get me. No, go away. Yeah, beg you. I go break out it. You got a chop bread, though. That's something you got to chop boy there. Oh, what? I am a bed. Maybe where they coin me. I can't wait. Oh, come here, the bug you. Wait a minute. Atiebe. I can make a new down code. Lawa. Yeah. That is another. Get inside. Huh? We're back. Get inside. Yeah, get inside. Well, you know, they're not going to follow the new all the time. Wait from you. Atiebe.